Hi there, my name is Dr. Siow. I'm the Head of Electrical and Electronic Engineering Program here at the University of Southampton, Malaysia. We're into the 10th year of offering our highly ranked EE program to bright and talented students, not just from Malaysia, but also internationally. I'm happy to inform you that we'll be having our open day at our state-of-the-art campus. During that time, I'll be introducing you to our EE program that we offer and highlight to you how this EE discipline is powering the Industrial Revolution 4.0 we are all in. I will also share with you key measures such as graduate employability and of course, the success stories from our alumni. You can also get yourself involved by joining our EE workshops where you get to experience the artificial intelligence use of AI in designing a device. So this is a wonderful opportunity for you to see how AI actually works. So once again, I hope to see all of you for our open day at our beautiful campus in Eco Botanic Iskandar Putri. See you all there.